the war clouds covered Laos, and the mountains burn with pain, families crossed the Mekong River through the hunger and the rain. The world moved on in silence, turned away from what went wrong. But one man stopped and listened when nobody else stayed long. He sat beside the weary, he learned the stories told of fathers lost in jungles, of children left in cold. He saw a people broken, yet standing proud and strong. And in the halls of power, he said their name is Hmong. He called us Hmong, not shadows of the past. He gave us dignity the world denied so fast. He opened doors of mercy when hope was nearly gone. A friend who stood beside us when we walked alone. Through refugee camps, sorrow, and oceans yet to roam, he helped the scattered people finally find a home. Lionel, we remember your kindness carries on. The man who stood for humanity and called us Hmong. From Vinai down to Ben Nam Yao, from crowded camps of fear, families prayed for freedom with tomorrow unclear. But he fought through walls of politics, through papers, rules and blame, until thousands crossed to freedom with a future and a name. No riches made him noble, no medals made him great. It was the way he walked among us, without pride or hate. A humble friend with open hands, a heart both brave and warm, a light for those abandoned in the aftermath of war. He called us Hmong, not shadows of the past. He gave us dignity the world denied so fast. He opened doors of mercy when hope was nearly gone. A friend who stood beside us when we walked alone. To refugee camps, sorrow, and oceans yet to roam, he helped the scattered people finally find a home. Lionel, we remember your kindness carries on. The man who stood for humanity and called us Hmong. Now generations flourish in lands once far away. Children speak with freedom because he paved the way. And though the years keep passing, his spirit still belongs to every Hmong American who remembers where they're from. You called us Hmong with honor in our name. You helped the world finally see us just the same. You lifted up the voiceless when history moved on. A brother to the refugee, steadfast and strong. Your friendship was a shelter, your compassion like a song. And the hearts you touched forever will carry you along. Lionel, rest in honor, your memory marches on. A true friend to humanity. Mountains fade and rivers run, your goodness still lives on. In every family reunited, and every child reborn.